All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a really classy German sports car. It's a 1962 190SL. They kind of look like the 300, like a mini 300SL, which are in the millions now. But this car's only 90 grand. It's a beautiful car. It's got two tops, soft top, hard top. Little 4-cylinder, 4-speed, easy to take care of. It's got a fresh rebuilt engine. Shifts great, drives great. This dash is like artwork. All the chrome trim, all the chrome gauges. It's got the AM radio there, the original AM radio, Becker Europa. Drives so nice. It's got brand new tires, new shocks, new muffler. Wow, it shifts and drives so nice. The carpets are nice. The seats are redone years ago, but still in great condition, like a dark chocolate brown. Ivory paint. Chrome and everything is pretty good shape. There's a couple things left to do on this car. Not much though. Mechanically it feels real good. I noticed the tachometer doesn't work. I'll take that back. We must have fixed it. The tach does work. We've been working on it little by little, trying to just bring the car up to speed. It's so nice. Got a matching hardtop too that's in great condition. Kind of nice if you live someplace where it snows or rains. Feels like you're driving a coupe. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and videos so you can get a better look at it. All right, we'll do a little walk around video here of our 1962 190SL Roadster. Beautiful little cars, very simple, just a 4-cylinder with a 4-speed manual transmission. Drives very nice, very easy to drive, and a great appreciating asset. These old Mercedes, when they're solid and real clean, this is a rust-free car. I actually bought it from a friend of mine and had it for 44 years and hardly drove it. The last 5 years he kind of dug it out a little bit, but was getting up in years and just didn't have a place for it anymore. But really clean. Paint's nice, beautiful paint, ivory color. The chrome is real good. It's got a couple chrome things here, little flaking here and there, but they're nice and straight, so if you wanted to re-chrome them you could. But it's really like a survivor car. I put new tires on it, I think I mentioned earlier, new muffler, some rear shocks. The engine was just rebuilt. I have receipts. The interior was done years ago. Still looks great, like a chocolate brown. Leather, of course. Original radio, as I mentioned a little while ago. Original steering wheel. Factory gauges. Even a little glove box. I thought it was kind of cool. Back of the clock is in here. Nice little classic Mercedes-Benz. Also has a matching hardtop, painted the same color. Here's the power plant in our beautiful little 190SL. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 1.9 liter engine, and it's got a fresh rebuild on it. It probably has less than a few hundred miles on it, if that. Little break-in miles. But it runs good. It's pretty clean in here, you know? It's not restored. Again, it's just a survivor. But we'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Nice and quiet, real simple little engine. And the 4-speed transmission shifts real good. It's got power brakes, doesn't need power steering, it's so light. All the chrome and everything, like I said, just glistens. Pretty cool. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, or if you want to get it shipped, or you want some more pictures, undercarriage or whatever, happy to provide those. All right, thanks for watching.